My name's Dennis Garlick. I'm an avid Aston Villa supporter. I'm retired. I used to be a chimney sweep. It was at a time when I was at a very low point in our life, me and my wife, Madeline. Other companies who I phoned up, I was just Joe Bloggs. With Boxt, against anybody else who I phoned up, they wanted to help me. They was spot on. They turned up at 8:30 the following morning asking for the jammy Dodgers. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the hot water was on, the shower was on, I couldn't get my wife out the shower. Just so amazed at what they'd done, how clean they was as well. They was nice guys, you could tell that they was nice guys. If I didn't understand anything, they'd say, let's help you out. They even set my phone because I didn't know how to do it. And it was just magic to me. I'd never seen anything like that before. We have a caravan in Wales, and now I am able to switch my heating on at home from my mobile phone when I'm in Wales. And when I get back home, I can talk to Alexa and ask her to switch the heating on. And not only that, I can ask her what temperature I want it at. Brilliant. I hope, to anybody who's listening to this now, go for it. Don't worry, just get them there.